Hello friends, I Dr. Mahanil Verma welcome you all in the second lecture of molecular modeling through system. In this lecture, I will consider the installation of CentOS in BMW workstation. Objective of this lecture is to download and install BMW VirtualBox in Windows 10 because I am using Windows 10, and then the installation of CentOS 6.8 in BMW VirtualBox. Actually, one can install the CentOS in a separate desktop or a desktop by using Google or YouTube. But here, for this tutorial, I am using VirtualBox, BMW VirtualBox. So I will install this CentOS in this VirtualBox. Let's start. First, you have to Google BMW Workstation and download on Windows platform, and then install. You have to install VMware in Workstation. It's very simple because Windows-based software installation is not very difficult. In this tutorial, I am using BMW Workstation 12. This is a free version, and then I will install CentOS 6.8 in this VirtualBox. So let's begin to install CentOS. Actually, I have already installed this VMware Workstation and using CentOS in this, but for demonstration I will again install a new virtual machine. So let's create a new virtual machine. So this I will install operating system later. We have to choose this to take complete packages in CentOS, and then I'm using Linux, so here I will change this CentOS. Only I'm using CentOS because I have already taken CentOS 64-bit for my own. So CentOS only, and then in the same C drive I'm using this. I'm giving about 100 GB space for this VirtualBox as a single file. Here I am customizing hardware. I'm using 8 GB in this laptop, so I can give about 6 to 7 GB. So let us give 7 GB RAM to this VirtualBox, and then this is i5, so I can choose 4 processors, and now this VirtualBox is all customized. So now I will install the CentOS. I have already DVD of CentOS 6.8. So now let's start. So automatically this will install, and this will start. This will take some time, so please keep patience. So if you are using new DVD, so you should make a media check, but I am skipping here, and let's wait and watch the process. language is English. As English, I am basic storage devices I am using for installation. Just discard any data. Here you can give a proper host name, but here I am using the local host, local domain. And then since I am from India, so I will take this time domain. Now a root password one can give a suitable root password. I'm using the complete 100 GB. Now the partition will be given by this installation process itself. Partition is being created here. Now one important place is this, where we have to customize the installation. If you choose this customized later, then a minimal desktop or simple desktop with minimum packages will be installed. But we want to install all required package for simulation, molecular modeling. So I will customize this. Now select all options here. Just we select this. So here this, let's check optional package selection 9 of 14. So 5 packages are being left, but if we select all optional package, so out of 14 total 14 package will be installed. So carefully select all packages. Obviously this will take some time, but this is important, so take your time to select all packages one by one. It's a little bit boring process, but important. That's why we have to select almost all packages. Scientific support is very important. Security tool is also. Desktop environments. All fonts. Graphical administration tools. And we can also use KDE desktop for detail. You can Google it. X Windows system. For many softwares we use X Windows system. There are so many languages given, so I belong to Chhattisgarh, so I can select this, and Hindi also. I'm from India, and this is our national language. Now this is related to different servers. So after installing this, we can take the help of different servers. virtualization is very important. I am using the virtualization on Windows 10, but we can also use in Linux operating system. So the final last one, this is the web services. Now we have selected almost all important packages, and then push next button. Now installation process is starting. Wait and watch. So installation process of about 2681 packages have been started, and so DVD number 1 has been completed. Now I am giving DVD 2 for further installation. So CentOS installation is completed. System is rebooting. Now final configuration. I agree. The license agreement. One can give username password separately. The password may be different from root password. This is my username. I am giving same password as root password here. Now time can be now the system is ready to now CentOS is ready for use. This is my research group and the blessings of my guide Dr. R.C. Agrawal, my collaborator Dr. R. Pandey, and Dr. Rodrigo is thankfully acknowledged. Now please don't forget to give your valuable feedback. Now my CentOS is ready 100% to use. Thanking you for your patience.